What is up, boys? This is going to be a trade recap for 15th of May 2026. Let's get it. Here we go. As you can see, this is not trade. Oh, yeah, this is trade. Wait a minute. Yeah, this was a trade. This is not a trade. So, what was I looking at? Right. So, basically, what happened here was I took a first entry right here after this inversion got stopped out of break even. Middle of somewhere around here got stopped out instantaneously. I know for a fact that the price still have to come back down, sweep this internal up here, and then sweep the low inside 1 hour fair value gap, which is also previous day New York low. So we have that in mind. I have that in mind, right? Like that was in my mind. So I was like constantly searching for a buy entry because buy seems more obvious. We leave 930 candle wick up there, and we still have Asian high and London high right there. London high is so obvious for sure. But Asian Eye is like maybe if there's some sort of news, probably. I don't know if some random day it would do it. I don't know. Today I was not expecting for the price to go up all the way to Asian high, but I was targeting London high. Let me come back to that, right? So first trade, break even, boom, done. Okay, let me just rewire my brain. I didn't lose any money. I just had to take another good setup, right? So that's what I was looking at. So once I saw this happening, right? After this internal sweep, price tapping inside 1 hour fair value gap. And also, can you see this is the last final candle close or open? This is where it happened. What the price did, came back down all the way. They didn't sweep all the lows right there, didn't do nothing. You can expect a reversal right here. What makes this looks like a reversal or this is a reversal, right? So basically what happened here, we got an inversion. I got the third candle high sweep and we got a displacement. We got a fair value gap. Everything shows that we are going to go bullish. So if I was targeting 1:1, right, I'd probably go around here. My take profit's right there, and then I'd probably go 1:1 right here, right? So we got 1:1, boom, done. So that's 1:1. But my risk to reward was different. I had my stop loss at the swing low, body candle low. Um, so low of the low of the candle body, low of the low of the candle, low of the candle close or open right there. Anyways, you get the point, right? So I was targeting that, and I had my stop loss up there, and my first 1:1 is going to be around 930 high, which happened and almost got me ticked off and reversed all the way. I was like shitting my pants off. I was like, okay, this trade is definitely going to be a stop loss because all two fair value gaps, first fair value gap, second fair value gap, and third fair value gap, all three got disrespected. And I was like, okay, it was my mistake. I didn't close the trade up there, or I didn't even do anything partials or whatever it might be. This is going to be the last trade, anyways. But I was looking at it. I was sitting through this trade, and it once I saw this inversion, I was like, pretty solid. We are good. But once I saw another rejection and coming back into this fair value gap and price rejecting off that fair value gap, and also you can see this 1 minute inversion still holding. Everything was good. Like I just okay, let me just hold this trade. If this goes to my take profit or stop loss, whatever it might be, I'm okay with it. So that's what I was telling myself, and that's what made me hold this trade. And as you can see right here, once price went about that high, and after seeing this rejection, right, I was like, "Fuck this, man! Not again." I was trailing a stop loss to here, and once this candle goes up. I trailed my stop loss to this 930 week high, and the same candle stopped me out, and then I went up all the way to where I should have supposedly targeting. And to make things worse, my final draw on liquidity has also been swept up. But I'm okay with it because I got this good trade. It was decent risk reward, decent holding, decent setup. So I'm not gonna like say that this is absolutely a bad setup or something like that. But as you can see, this is a good solid setup, solid trade. Honestly speaking, if I was having my risk to reward, or if I'm gonna take a power shit off there, that could have been a good point to take all those things. I don't even know why the fuck it did all this manipulation again, just to go back up. I don't know, man. But yeah, here's a trade recap for 15th of May 2026. And this was a projection. It was after it was on hindsight. So after liquidity, we got a 15-minute fair value gap, and there's a breakup structure. There's a fair value gap at this placement, and price comes back into the fair value gap, tapping with the consequent encouragement, as you can see right here. There it is. If you put a limit on and then keep the stop loss at keep the stop loss at swing low, swing high. That's gonna help you a way, way, way lot better to manage with your psychology. So, anyways, swing high, zero drawdown, boom, rip down. This is core ICT concepts. So liquidity, market structure, fair value gap. Tap into the fair value gap, consequent encouragement, keep the stop loss at swing high, and target the next opposing liquidity, which is here, or have a proper fixed risk to reward ratio, 1:1, 1:2, out of there. And if you really want to target the next opposing liquidity, which you can do, so that's one thing. And this is where we currently stand now. So I just had two micros actually, two micros right there. This trade is two micros. I've been trading two micros, and the only day that I traded four micros was on Wednesday. Wednesday seems more obvious, and yeah, basically I just did four contracts on it and made the most money. Lost most money on Thursday and then gained it back all on Friday. But anyways, man, it's all good. Um, just don't do the thing that you did today. So you know it. So just don't do that life mistake. So it never will end up well. Just know that. Just know that. Just try to avoid it. Try to don't do it. Don't do it. And yeah. Trading is going really good. Yeah, that's about it, bro. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible, man. Anything. So believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. All you gotta do is just go get it. So just do it, and you have to go and get it. So do it. Adios.